Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. So on this amazing, exciting episode, I'm going to teach you how to make the best dinner. So easy and fast. In less than 20 minutes, your dinner is ready. Stay tuned, give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. Remember guys, this is the place where you get the best home recipes. So let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients first. So for our ingredients, you need around 10 to 15 potatoes peeled. You'll need 150 grams of bacon. You need 2 onions. You also need 60 grams of cheese, and then some salt, and then also to garnish you need some coriander. Have potatoes at home, make this easy and very delicious meal. So first of all, you need to boil our potatoes. So put some water in a pot and boil this for 15 minutes. So we'll boil our potatoes until they're soft. And then season with some salt. Draw to your attention how sweet this meal is. You know, they finish everything for you. Love people. So first of all, what I do is I cut my bacon into cubes. I'm going to show you that. And what I do is I love to cut into cubes. So once you finish cutting your bacon, you're going to fry our onions. You make sure you cut into these pieces like that. Yes, so once you're done cutting, you're going to fry our onions. So you put some oil on a pan and then you put your onions. So we fry our onions in vegetable oil. I prefer vegetable oil. Bacon and then you fry until golden brown. This meal is so delicious. like some of you got the question I asked in the previous episode. How many times I said the word amazing and you got it right? Good for you. So on this episode, I want you to take a photo of this video, a screenshot when you watch it, and share it, and then send to my DM, and then you stand a chance of winning. Lovely. So good. Wow. So we want it to be really, really golden brown. So we'll let it cook. After it's golden brown, you can see, we reduce the heat to low. This is when we will put our potatoes. Look at that, so well done, you can see. Well done. So well done. So we will drain the water. So I drain the water. All the water is gone. Very good. So we will put our potatoes in. Who knew you would make such an amazing meal with your potatoes at home? You will love this one. So mash your potato inside like this. Mash it like this. Make sure you mash all of them. Okay. So once you mash them, you're going to, after that, sprinkle some cheese on top. Put as much as you want. I love a lot of cheese, and put a lot. And make sure your heat is on low. So once you put your cheese, this is so delicious. Oh, look at this. You cover it so that the cheese can melt, and your meal is done. Just like that. Let's cover this to melt. And just like that, your meal is done. Enjoy your meal. So delicious. Look at that. The cheese has melted. The potatoes look so scrumptious. The bacon, amazing. So simple. 20 minutes, you have the meal ready. Let's have a taste of this. I enjoy making this simple, easy meal for you guys. So much have a taste. Look at this. So if you have potatoes that is make sure you try it and tell me how it turned out. You can see the cheese, how it looks. So I'm gonna try some cheese. delicious is the word, guys. So sweet. It goes well with any juice. So try it and you will definitely love the way the potato mixes with the bacon and gives it that kick. You will love it. Your family will love it. Surprise them. Try this simple recipe and tell me how it turned out. That's it from me, guys. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, like, comment down below. I always like your feedback every single time. So that's it from me. See you next time. Bye.